I have a child who's ramped it up, has to leave their classroom, and you, the paraprofessional, has to take them out, right? You have to take them to another location. Oftentimes, the child is asked to sit in a chair, and sometimes we set a timer. And we say, when your body is calm, we will assess whether you can get back to class. Well, first of all, the child doesn't want to go back to class, so they don't care. So why would they remain calm? The other is, the minute you set a timer, and an agitated body now has to show that they can sit properly in a chair and be quiet until that time is done, before they can process, is a losing battle. De-escalation happens first, number one, by allowing the body to get rid of agitation. So when you are asked to take that child, or you have to take that child out of the classroom to another place, they should have some task to do, whether it be push-ups, jumping jacks, some sort of tool in their toolbox, something that gets rid of the physical agitation. You and I both know that when I am agitated and upset, if I go and take a walk around the building and come back, I'm more readily available to take instruction to help me feel better. But if you ask me to sit still until the timer goes off, it's not going to work. After the body has become less agitated, the second thing to teach them is just to be in the present. Now, you finished, you got that out, you got your wiggles out. Now, just sit for a moment and just look at that picture on the wall of the beautiful setting or the sunset. Just look at it for a few minutes and just settle yourself. Just concentrate on the sun. Then I can say, let's problem solve where we're at right now or where we were in the classroom. But you won't get there without the other two components. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.